Hi guys, and welcome to one more video about Volkswagen Golf. So if you follow us or our shorts, you can see a lot more videos than on the long videos, but here we'll try also to do our best to put some longer videos for the YouTube. Okay, so here we have Volkswagen Golf Mark 1 1084 year, so a very old car, fully restored, so painted in blue, inside outside, and EV converter. So we have electric motor inside, maybe visible here, as you can see, battery case, charger, DC-DC converter. So this is like alternator on your car, so it's used for charging the 12-volt battery. So 12-volt battery comes here, so the standard 12-volt battery, nothing changes here. And then we have the power distribution box that's using relays and fuses to manage motor power and power for all other things like heating and things like that. We'll start from the power distribution box to the right, and here we have vacuum braking system. So this car has vacuum braking. This big cylinder means it has vacuum, and this is the vacuum tank, vacuum sensor, and vacuum pump. So vacuum pump is activated only by the vacuum sensor depending on the pressure inside of the vacuum tank. And then it's connected to the standard brake cylinder as usual. Okay, so this is used only to activate the pump based on the pressure, so the vacuum pump is, let's say, saving the power and not using and not working all the time. Next to this we have a crash sensor. So crash sensor is like a safe switch. So in the case of the crash, it detects the crash and it deactivates the high voltage system. So it deactivates the main relay here in this box. So the high voltage is disconnected and the motor is disconnected, as all other things like heating and things like that. So in the case of the crash, in any part of the car, the crash sensor activates. So if you get hit from the back, crash sensor also gets activated, because this is like sensor for all sides crashes, and it can detect any side of the crash. Okay, next to this is water tank. So this water tank is used for the heating, and this in Volkswagen Golf, this is the heating pipe. So this is the standard like in any other car. Water heating system that's connected to the petrol engine. Before, in this case, this was a diesel engine, and then we connect this pipe to our 2.7 kilowatt heater. So this is like water heater, similar to, let's say, in your house or boilers, or for heating hot water for sinks or for showers. But this is for car version, and this is designed for our battery voltage. So it works at DC current and at the same voltage as our system here. And then this is the water pump that circulates this water, so you can use the heating system as usual in your car. So you will be using the same heating switches inside of the car, so original, nothing changes from the inside perspective. You get only switch to activate the heater and pump, or to deactivate it. So as I said, charger, battery, DC-DC converter, so charging the 12-volt battery and for the lights and things like that, and high voltage power distribution box, and we have some low voltage relays here, and that's it. Motor is underneath of the vehicle. In the back side we have also the charging socket that comes and connects to the charger here. Okay, now we are going, forgot also in motor inverter. So it's used to convert DC power from the battery to the motor 3-phase AC power. So 3 phases, as you can see, these 3 wires down, three orange wires are going to the motor and providing the high torque because of the AC magnet force of the 3 phases. So much more powerful than the DC motor. Inside, forget about this little bit dust, because we have a lot of cars that we are working on. So nothing changes from the inside, except that we have display added here and gear shift. So the gear shifter is used to choose the direction of the motor spinning, so forward, stop, or this is like neutral, and the reverse. Display showing the battery state of charge, and this is the heater activation button. So in the winter you just press this and the heater activates and deactivates by itself. One more obligation by the European laws, the same as the crash sensor, we have this safe switch, so in case of any problems or crashes or something like that, you just press this and it disconnects the high voltage, the same as the crash sensor. So this is just like additional steps and we follow the European rules by obligating this. So all interior inside is new, even the roof is all new, paint is new. The only thing that is not new here is the wheels. So it comes with very nice aluminium wheels that are not on the car now, because we are still working on the car or under the car. As you can see, there is no more gas exhaust. We have only one orange cable that is used for connecting the socket with the charger. So this is the charging socket. It will be painted, bolts will be replaced with black ones, and it will be like this. So you can charge your car or your Golf, Volkswagen Golf Mark 1 at home or at the public charging station or Type 2 charger at any location. So you can use cheap power at home, or you can use any other public charging station in the Europe. So this is Type 2 European standard socket. This car is currently for sale. There is also option for the buyer to add one more additional battery in the trunk. So if you are the buyer and you are interested in this car, you can contact us. We can deliver the car with single battery or with the additional battery in the trunk. So the choice is yours. Contact us if you are interested in this car or some other electric car that we currently already have ready for shipping and street legal. So this is Fiat 500, for example, or the Fiat 126P, also street legal already. As you can see, the same is with the Fiat 500. We also have Beetle, Fiat 600, and some other cars ready to be shipped and delivered to you if needed. So please follow us to see many other cars that we are preparing for our future videos, and follow us to see the progress of these cars.